Hey guys, I'm sure you know by now we are out of school for the rest of the year. We will continue as far as I know right now with the digital learning. Please keep working. Don't just give up just because I won't see you in person for the remainder of the year. Seniors, I know it's tough. If you have not sent in a baby picture to Miss Wise, please do so. We're going to try to at least send this to everyone, all of the seniors, so you will at least have that. I'll keep you posted in regards to graduation. Any information that I get, I'll post on the Canvas page. Probably do another little short video like I'm doing and put it in the announcements. But do keep working, keep checking your grades. That's for everybody. Making sure that you're staying caught up. If you need anything, even if it's through spring break, hey, we're all stuck at home, so you can give me an email, contact me, whichever. I hope you guys are all staying well. Take care. Bye.